Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now you can obviously see that the phone I have right here is locked, and I can unlock it using the pattern, Google account, one of those two ways to basically get past this and finish up the setup. Now, assuming I don't know either of those, I'm just gonna bypass this. Now, one last thing I will mention, you can also see that there is a lock icon to signify that obviously the device is locked. So, to get started, we're gonna back out to the Wi-Fi connection page. And number one, you want to connect to some kind of Wi-Fi that you have access to. As you can see, I have already done so. And once you have done so, scroll down to Add Network, and then in SSID, type in youtube.com. There we go. Once you have typed it in, hold the text. This will select the entire link and give you this chain link option right here, which once you click on it, it redirects you to YouTube. In the application, you want to select the account right here, navigate to help and feedback, and then in describe your issue right at the top, you want to type in delete. Like so. And this will bring up an option, a suggested option called delete or disable apps on Android. Click on it, and then right here, delete apps that you installed. You have the step one, which is tap to go to application settings, so tap on it. It will take you to obviously apps right here, and you want to first off select more and choose show system. And in system, or once you see those, you want to start off by going into Android setup, select disable app, go back, then go to the second Android setup, which should be somewhere lower. There we go, and select force stop and OK. Go back again and scroll down to Google Play Services. So right here, Google Play Services. Once you find it, you want to select disable app and force stop. And go back and scroll even further to settings, which I just passed. So there we go. And again, there will be two different settings options. You're interested in the one that has open option, which I believe is the first one. So right here. And yep, there it is. So you can see there is an open option. Click on it. This will take you to the settings. And in here, you want to scroll down to additional settings, then accessibility, choose accessibility menu, and enable it. Allow. This shows you that it adds this button right here. So click on OK, and that's about all we need to do here. Once you have added this button, we're gonna now back out to the setup of our device. So right over here, then you wanna proceed further with the setup, and it will start getting your phone ready and then checking for updates, I think. There we go. And it will get stuck on this, which is fine. So once you are on this page, stuck in it, you want to click on this accessibility menu icon, go to Google Assistant, and this shows up settings somewhere here. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Once you click on the settings, it takes you to the Google Play Services page, where you want to select enable, which is as you've seen right here. So you want to keep repeating this till you can actually enable it. Might take you a bunch of tries, or it might take you like 3 tries like it did me. Now, don't let this fool you. It sometimes takes more than that. I did literally before this did a bypass for the Xiaomi Pad 5, I believe, and it took me probably 50 tries to get it, though in there it was a little bit different how you get to it. But still, it might vary how many times it will take you to actually enable it. All you need to do is just keep repeating the process till you can manage to enable it. From there, go back once, tap somewhere on the screen to get rid of the Hey Google, and then finish up the setup by just choosing random options. It doesn't really matter what you choose, so if you are forced to select something, just select whatever and go to the next page. If you can skip it, then skip it. and this will reach you with a home screen of your device. Now from here, you will want to navigate into the settings. Now, before I show you what the next process is, I will mention I'm not gonna finish this up fully on the video, just because factory resetting the device on the video and just making you go through this and then going through the setup of the tablet not tablet but phone, provides you with basically no additional info. So I'll show you where you can find what you need to do, and then all you need to do is just press OK, factory reset your device, and the device will be at that point fully unlocked. Now the last part of factory resetting is important because the device is still locked. Even though we are going to be on our home screen right here, the device is still locked, and if you would reset it in any other way than what I'm going to show you, the device will go back to being locked on the setup screen. So from here, you want to navigate into your settings, select About Phone, scroll down to Factory Reset, erase all data, Factory Reset, then select Next once you can after that 10 seconds. And then click on OK. Now that last part is important. So once you click on OK, it will perform a factory reset of your tablet, and once that's completed, you are going to be back in your setup screen for your device. But you can set up your device however you like at that point, because it will be fully unlocked. So I'm pretty sure you know how to go to the setup screen, that's one of the reasons why I'm also not going to go through this. So that is how you bypass the Google verification on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.